My Journey to Overcoming Laziness in 3 Months. Hey there! If you're watching this, chances are you've been struggling with laziness just like I have. But fear not, because I'm here to share my personal journey and the ancient methodologies that have helped me overcome laziness in just 3 months. Along the way, I've discovered what we tend to lose when we succumb to laziness. Let's dive in and embark on this transformative journey together. Month 1, the foundation: mind and body harmony. In the first month, I focused on aligning my mind and body. Ancient practices such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing helped me center myself. These practices fostered mental clarity, reduced stress, and increased my energy levels. Daily meditation: spend 15 to 20 minutes each morning in quiet meditation. This practice helps calm the mind, improve focus, and boost motivation. Yoga and stretching: dedicate at least 20 minutes to yoga or simple stretching exercises. This improves flexibility, blood circulation, and overall physical well-being. Healthy diet: nourish your body with nutrient-rich foods. A well-balanced diet fuels both the body and mind, helping you stay productive. Month 2, taking action: ancient wisdom and productivity. In the second month, I embraced the wisdom of ancient productivity techniques. These methods helped me overcome procrastination and laziness by breaking tasks into manageable steps. Pomodoro Technique: work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. After completing 4 cycles, take a longer break. This technique enhances focus and prevents burnout. Eisenhower Matrix: prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance. This method ensures that you focus on tasks that truly matter, reducing feelings of overwhelm. Kaizen philosophy: embrace the concept of continuous improvement by taking small steps every day. This philosophy cultivates a habit of progress over time. Month 3, sustaining the change: embracing accountability. In the final month, I learned the importance of accountability in maintaining the positive changes I had made. By sharing my goals with others and seeking their support, I ensured that laziness didn't creep back in. Accountability partner: partner up with a friend or family member who shares your goals. Regular check-ins and encouragement help both of you stay on track. Vision board: create a vision board that displays your goals and dreams. Visualizing your aspirations can ignite motivation and keep you moving forward. Reflect and celebrate: at the end of each week, reflect on your accomplishments and celebrate your progress. This reinforces your commitment and boosts self-esteem. What we tend to lose when we're lazy. During my journey, I realized that succumbing to laziness leads to significant losses. Opportunities: laziness often causes us to miss out on exciting opportunities for growth, learning, and personal development. Time is a precious resource. Laziness can make us waste valuable moments that could be used to pursue our passions and dreams. Self-confidence: consistently giving into laziness erodes our self-confidence and belief in our abilities. Relationships: laziness can strain relationships as it reflects a lack of commitment and engagement in shared activities. By following these ancient methodologies and embracing a proactive mindset, I successfully conquered my own laziness in just 3 months. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. As you embark on your own path to overcoming laziness, be patient with yourself, stay persistent, and celebrate even the smallest victories. You have the power to transform your life and achieve your dreams.